Hey guys, so I'm gonna be reviewing. You guess it. His color is green and black. He's an Autobot Crosshairs. You're right. It's the car mode of Crosshairs, the Corvette. Is this a Corvette? Let me see. Wait. Chevrolet? No, I'm just kidding. Corvette. This is a Power Punch one, and I'm gonna show you how to transform it if you're having problems. Kids, if you're having problem like this and like here. So it goes pretty well. Oh, it's getting messed up. Goes pretty well. Like hand, look at this. That size him compared to the. You can see that hand. What? See that hand is the most largest. Wait, longer. And I'm gonna show you how to transform. First thing you wanna do is remove this port right here at the roof and remove this arm. Oh wait, do like what? And this, I don't know if you can see it, but this is the finger, the fist, the power fist that I bought, and you wanna do like that. Do like that. It's so easy. This leg is pretty loose, but I'll just keep it in anyway. Can't believe they gave me a loose leg. They gave you a loose leg. Okay, stop joking around. But this is the transformation. I'm done. These articulations on. Wait, I want to show you something cool. This thing right here can do a power punch. Does it have sounds like that? But this arm can go in and out like that. This arm can go that. Do a block. Do it like that. Do like that. Do like that. Cannot go. Oh wait, it can go in and out. It can go up like that. Does it have elbow joints? The legs go only do like that. He has waist articulations. Oh, don't want to break the figure. And this is how you transform him back into a Corvette. Oh wait, I didn't show you, sorry. First thing you want to do, flip his head down. And power fist, you move it like that. Sorry, my camera is so bright. So dark. But I'll find a way. Like that. So it's back into a Corvette. Now it goes pretty well. But this is him. I hope you guys, thank you for watching. Leave a comment and subscribe for more. Oh yeah.